Hello guys, welcome back to another behind the clutter video. Today we will be making this Bluetooth speaker. So let us start by making a housing for our speakers. For that I am using a 3-inch PVC pipe of 15 cm length. And we will be using two speakers for this project. One facing vertical and other one facing horizontal. So let us measure and mark the areas that we need to cut off for fixing our horizontal speaker. Now let us take another plastic piece and cut out a hole in the dimension of our horizontal speaker in order to mount it on the housing. And I am using these screws to mount the speaker with the plastic sheet. Now let's see if it fits inside our housing. And it's having a precise fit inside. So now let us glue the plastic piece onto the main housing and cut out the extruding parts outside. After that, cover the remaining top and bottom openings in the same way and sand off all the edges to make it a smoother finish. And I made this 3-inch circular disc using MD board in order to cover the bottom end of the speaker housing. So this is what we have done so far with our housing. Now let's paint it black to get a cleaner look. So here is a final look on our housing. Now let us move on and build a circuit to power these speakers. The first thing you need to make a circuit is an audio amplifier, and here I am using this PAM8403 audio amplifier. Then you will need a Bluetooth module to feed the input from your mobile phone to your amplifier. And then you need a power source, and here I am using this old Nokia battery to power this circuit. And you will need this charging module to safely charge your lithium-ion battery. So let us start by soldering two wires on the positive and negative terminals of our lithium-ion battery. Now connect the positive and negative lines from the battery to the respective B positive and B negative ports of our charging module. So we are getting an output of 4 volts from our battery, and this will be sufficient to power our amplifier module. Now let us connect two wires to draw power from the respective positive and negative output terminals of our charging module. And let us add a switch in the positive line in order to avoid unwanted battery drainage. Now let us connect the audio signal output from the Bluetooth module to the corresponding audio signal input of the amplifier module. And we will be using these wires to connect them together. So first let us solder the signal wires onto the amplifier input. And then let's solder the other ends onto the corresponding signal outputs in the Bluetooth module. Now let us connect the output wires from the charging unit to the amplifier and Bluetooth module in order to power it up. But here both amplifier and Bluetooth module need separate power supplies. So let's add 2 more wires and connect them in parallel. So our circuit is almost complete now. So let us add the speakers to the circuit. Connect the positive and negative lines from the speakers to the corresponding left and right speaker outputs in the amplifier module. So our circuit is complete. Now let us power it on and see if it's working before fixing it inside the housing. Now let us fix everything inside the housing. Let us start by mounting the horizontal speaker inside the housing. Now let us cut the extruding portions of our circular speaker and make it matching to the shape of our housing. Now we have to fix the circuit inside the housing. For that we can use the same piece that we cut off from the housing at the beginning. So let's glue the circuit on this plastic piece and glue it inside the housing. Now we have to cut and resolder the switch so that we can fix it from outside. After that, let us glue the battery inside the housing and let us fix the charging module on the base cover. And before inserting it inside the housing, let's see if the charger is working or not. Here I am using a 5V 1A power brick for charging this battery. Now let us fix the bottom cover inside the housing and make sure that the charging port is aligned with the hole we made on the housing, so that we can plug the charger directly inside the port and charge. And finally, let's glue the circular speaker at the top of the housing. And for getting a better aesthetics, I have covered the entire speaker with some wrapping stickers and plastic foam. So our Bluetooth speaker is ready, and I can assure you that it's really loud and is having good bass. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already for watching more videos like this. So see you with another one next week. Till then, bye bye.